been feeling this emptiness for some time, trying to make do. But my world has been so crazy, living without you. Now I'm a man, not ashamed to admit my faults, now that I know. But the only thing that matters now is I should have never let you go. So every night before I go to sleep, I pray that the Lord will one day somehow send you back my way.
Baby, I miss you.
Oh, yes I do.
I need to be back in your arms and never stop loving you.
Oh yeah.
My heart is where you belong.
Baby, I
miss you. Before heaven and earth pass away, Lord, please show me what to do. Tell me what to say. 'Cause we've come too far to let it
slip away.
Whoa,
And we've come
too far to let it slip away.
Couldn't understand many things in my life, know how much you meant to me. Now I'm prepared to